If you are having trouble getting an IP address from your TP-Link router, then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the connection. Ensure all devices like modem, router and computer are properly connected and powered on. Verify that Ethernet cables are securely plugged in if using wired connections. Method 2. Ensure the DHCP server is enabled. Visit this link http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Go to Advanced, then select Network, then DHCP Server. To uncheck the Enable checkbox next to DHCP Server, once done, click on Save. Method 3. Restart your router. Power off your router and wait for about 30 seconds. Turn the router back on and wait for it to fully restart, which may take up to 30 minutes. Method 4. Change the LAN IP address. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Navigate to Advanced, then Network, then LAN. Change the LAN IP address if the default IP address conflicts with your router. Type in a new address. Click Save and restart the router. Method 5. Clone your computer's MAC address to the router. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address. Log in with your username and password. Go to Advanced, then select Network, then Internet, then MAC clone. Click Clone MAC address. Click Save and restart the router. Method 6. Contact TP-Link support. If the issue persists, contact TP-Link technical support with your router's model number, hardware version and firmware version for further assistance. And there you have it, the method to fix the issue when you are having trouble getting an IP address from your TP-Link router. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.